Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, open Settings. Now you need to click on Notification and Status Bar, and finally App Settings at the top. Now tap on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from. I will go with Google Play Store. As you can see, after that, all notifications from this app are blocked. In order to unblock them, tap on the same switcher. But you can always just click on one of your apps over here instead, like Photos, and manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher next to all Photos notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!